everyone, welcome back with the another chapter in JavaScript. Today we'll start with operators in JavaScript. So there are various operators in JavaScript. We'll start with arithmetical operators. First are arithmetic operators. Now arithmetical operators include plus, minus, divide, multiply, modulus. Now explaining one by one, like we have let a equals to 2 and let b equals to 3. So first arithmetical operator is by adding, that is console a plus b. It will add the two numbers, console dot log, pressing the log one. Now here we have again console dot log a minus b. Taking a greater than b, that is, let's consider 3 and 2. Okay, console dot log a means this is subtraction. Console dot log a modulus b. Modulus means it will check the remainder, it will not divide that, it will check the remainder after dividing it. Console dot log a multiply by b. Now let's check the results. Open the terminal. Run the command node javascript.js. We have 3 plus 2 5, a minus b 3 minus 2 1. A modulus is when I divide this, we divide 3 with 2, we have remainder 1. Okay, so modulus checks the remainder, gives the remainder. And next is a multiply by b, this is 6, 3 to 6. These are the arithmetical operators. Next we have bitwise operators, that are this and or. Okay? And means that both conditions should be true, and or means that either of one condition should be true. Like I'm operating in the logical operators. Like we have console dot log 3 should be equals to 3 and 3 should be greater than 4. Now here only one condition is true, like yes, 3 is equals to 3 and the another part is 3 is not greater than 4. So when I run this command again, I have a result false. And works when both of the conditions are true. Like if I give here 3, now it will print true. In the end, both of the conditions should be true. And in the case of or, if either one of the statement is true, it will give the true. Like 3 should be equals to 3 or 3 should be greater than 6. Okay, now let's print it. We have true. Like for the in the and condition, both conditions should be true. And in the case of or, either one of condition should be true. So another one we have assignment operators. Like I'm giving a let like s should be equals to 1. Here equals to is an assignment operator, that it is assigning one value to the s. Okay, another if I give s plus equals to 2. Now I'm printing a console dot log s. Running the command, we have 3. Initially the value of s is 1. When I give assignment operator plus equals to, it plus the value 2 in s and gives us the output, that is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. We have another that we can have it like let a minus equals to 1. Printing here console dot log a. ठीक है, अभी पहले a की वैल्यू क्या थी 3 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे, विल गेट द आउटपुट एज 2. Okay, these are the assignment operators. It's plus the value in particular variable and gives us the output equals to that something. ठीक है, these are the assignment operators. And another part we can have as a double equals to and triple equals to. This is to check that whether both the values of a variable is equals, and this is to check that whether that value and data type is equal, like console.log a should be equals to, like we can check 3 should be equals to 3. It is checking whether value is same or not. On the same time, console.log 3 triple equals to this is check whether value and the data type is same or not. So we have it's false, first is true and second one is false. Both having the same values, here both having the same values but different data type, that is string and a number. So these are the variable operators in the JavaScript. Like first ones are arithmetical operators, that are plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus, others. And another one is a logical are, that should be not equals to. If I check here like console dot log 3 should be not, like a should be not equals to 3. अभी a की वैल्यू कितनी है 3, तो 3 के इक्वल्स टू नहीं होना चाहिए. लाइक दिस कंडीशन शुड बी फॉल्स की a की वैल्यू 3, अभी a 3 के इक्वल है तो दिस इट शुड प्रिंट फॉल्स. ओके, सो दिस इज एन अनदर दैट इज नॉट ऑपरेटर. ठीक है, अनदर वी हैव ternary operators. In a ternary operator, it works like a this question mark and this semicolon. Like how it works, like we have a condition a should be greater than b. If I'm printing in console dot log if a is greater than 3, अगर जो 3 है वो 2 से greater than है, then it should give condition a is greater than 3. Sorry, a greater than b. एट द सेम टाइम अगर ये कंडीशन है वो ट्रू नहीं होती है, देन इट शुड प्रिंट a इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन b. ठीक है, नाउ बट हाउ एक्चुअली इट वर्क्स, पहले क्या होगा, ये कंडीशन चेक होगी कि अगर a है वो ग्रेटर, हियर फर्स्टली सिंटैक्स इज लाइक condition if true, this one is true, otherwise it's a false. अगर a b से ग्रेटर होता है तो पहली कंडीशन अगर ट्रू जाती है तो प्रिंट होगा a is greater than b, अदरवाइज क्या प्रिंट होगा कंसोल डॉट लॉग में a is not greater than b. चेक करते हैं, we have a is not greater than b. अभी क्या हुआ, a की वैल्यू यहाँ चेंज हो गई है, we have हमने ऑपरेशन किया 2, तो 2 is not greater than 2. I'm removing this part to verify it again. ठीक है, अभी हमने ये ऑपरेशन किया, उसकी वैल्यूज वेरिएबल वैल्यू चेंज हो चुकी है, टर्न टू डू. नाउ a is greater than b, a की वैल्यू कितनी थी 3 थी, b की वैल्यू कितनी 2, 3 क्या है 2 से ग्रेटर देन है, इसलिए हमारी फर्स्ट कंडीशन फर्स्ट ये ट्रू हो जाती है तो ये प्रिंट होना था. अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स होती तो क्या है, इस पे आता हूं, लाइक आई सेड a is less than equals to b, this conditions get false. So this is the ternary operator in JavaScript. So we have arithmetical operators, bitwise operator, logical operators, condition this ternary operators. We have we have comparison operators, that are this greater than, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to. ठीक है, this includes the comparison operator. I hope you all understand this concept of operator in JavaScript. We will cover the next part in the next video. Thank you.